Yo, what up guys? Welcome to Jack's Off to another adventure. So we just came back from the boat tour and here's clickbait. And about the boat tour, I didn't really vlog about it, but we basically just chilled on a yacht and a few islands all day. The crew was also really funny and spoke good enough English and surprisingly good enough Mandarin as well. So in case you were wondering what is there to do in Phuket, yes, you can go on boat tours. The one we went on cost us about 40 bucks per person, and I'll leave the details in the description below. Anyways, back to the main video. Well, she's gonna be joining me for the rest of the trip here in Phuket, so I thought, gotta impress the girl, so I upgraded my room, and we're gonna do a room tour real quick. So, let's see what awaits us here in our new room. So, here at Diamond Cliff, the service is so great, they moved our luggage here too with us having to move it ourselves. And check it out, when you first come in, you got an umbrella, not like the deluxe room, if it rains, screw you. Even sandals, but wow, luxury already. Come on in. And check it out, you got light switches here. This is self-explanatory. The other one you had to kind of figure it out yourself. Let's put our stuff down first before we do this room tour real quick. And oh man, wow. Check this out, guys. This is the suites. I think it's the romantic suite because, you know, got clickbait here, you know, trying to impress people. But anyways, you walk in here, you got this king's office.
That's my spot.
Oh yeah, because you'll be working even on your vacation. Thai people be working even when they're on vacation. And it comes with the bosses. Oh, this is real, because they got water in, yeah. Wow.
But it doesn't help my work.
Who cares about your work? This plan is real here. And oh, I just felt, oh, we got carpet here. Wow. And then you got this massive bed right in the middle. You got the nightstand here, a lot of space here, and this lighting system, and mosquito net. In the other room, if you get bit by mosquitoes, screw you, they don't care. But over here, they want to make sure you're romantic without getting bit by a mosquito. And check it out, we got the bed here. So, will there be magic tonight? Or will it just be an illusion? I gotta work my magic. Anyways, oh, even the phone's different. They have Panasonic phone here. Wow. And this is a light system. Wow. Okay, I know I say wow a lot, but check it out. Night light, entrance, jacuzzi. Oh man, there's a jacuzzi in here. And this is, what is this? What do you call this? This is like a platform where you can just chill here and sit. Oh, let's check it out real quick. Oh man. Whew, this is real comfortable. If clickbait doesn't let me do my magic, I might just have to sleep here tonight. And I know right now it's nighttime, but the view here is supposed to be splendid, so I'm gonna edit the morning view here for you guys. But for now, just trust me that it's probably pretty nice looking. And oh wow, even the table here has a real plant. So, well, I say it's real. Maybe they're deceiving me by putting water in there to make it seem like it's real. But anyways, let's keep going, guys. And check it out. In the middle of the room, this is the most useless accessory I've ever seen in a hotel room, but at the same time, it's the biggest flex right here. You got a swing, bro. What the hell? They want us to get creative in the romantic suite. So there should be some magic, hopefully. Anyway, so here is a TV. This I don't like because let's say you're laying in bed right here. You're looking at the swing, so this is your entertainment right smack in the middle. Whereas if you want to watch TV, it's like all the way over here. Unless I'm a dumbass and you can move it. Yes, you sure can. So movable TV, adjustable, and then you have the same setup as the deluxe room. They also give you free water, and I'm guessing this is the fridge. Yes, fridge. And if, ooh, they charge you for this kind of stuff. But anyways, all right. And then next to the romantic swing is the romantic jacuzzi with the curtains. Wow, it's gonna be steamy here. All right, steam the whole view. Again, in the morning, I'm gonna capture the view and edit this part to show you guys how the view is. But you got a damn jacuzzi right here. Why take a bath when you can take a jacuzzi? Wow. All right, this must be the bathroom. So if I need my privacy, wait, what? You can like see through it. So what's the point of this door? Is it to block my explosive diarrhea sound? But there's vents here. So anyways, let's go check it out, guys. Here's the vanity set, and you got a pull-out bench. So clickbait will be all over this because she's gonna be doing her makeup while sitting down here. And whoa, they even upgraded the gels, the shower gels. The one in the deluxe room was like teeny bitty, but this one looked like they didn't skimp out on this. Cool. They even the water bottle condoms even like more high class. It's like a Crown Royal. The other one was just wooden, so different design. Oh, check it out. This is like one of those decoration displays, so you can put your hygiene gear to make it look nice. Anyways, and then here's the sink. I like this a lot better. The one in the deluxe room, the water power wasn't that great, but this one seems perfect. Here's the towel. Just one towel? Oh. The hell? Well, guess we'll be sharing towels. And they use the same clock. This one was not an upgrade, so boo. Anyway, oh, we got the scale. Am I 69 yet? So close. Ah. And then here's the closet. Wow. Check it out. The soft hanger, the fat American hanger, and then you have the skinny tie hanger here. And then again, we have the safe. What is this? I guess this is for like rings and watches. I've never seen this before, but maybe that's an upgrade from deluxe room to suites. And then once again, you got the beach bag, and then you have the, what do you call this? The thing you put on the bathrobe. There we go. All right, now let's check out the. Also, we got a stand-up shower here. At least in, a rain shower. Oh wow. In the deluxe room, you do get a bathtub, which is pretty cool. Over here, you don't. Oh. A lot of jets here, so I'm gonna be getting pretty wet. Good wash today. But when you have a jacuzzi, you don't need a bathtub. Oh wow, yeah. Gonna have to play around with this a little bit later. And then here's the toilet. Ah, cool. And you got TP right here and sanitary bag. Why do you need? Okay. Someone educate me on this. Why do you need one of this? I'm guessing it's for throwing up, when you can just throw up here. And a bidet. Oh, nice. And even when you're taking a shit, you get the view. But people can see you though, right? Ah, cool. Look at this door. I can when Clickbait is taking a shower and I'm taking a shit, it's not gonna block the aroma. At least, whatever beauty product she's using can cover up my explosive diarrhea. And then I can be a dick and then block her like this. So double block her. Wow. Actually, I have one more question. Because I didn't see a light switch here in this bathroom right here. So, oh wow. They got the own AC here in this bathroom. You gotta be kidding me. Alright, I'm sidetracked. This must be the light. Yeah. So when I'm taking too long in the toilet, someone can just fuck me over by screwing the lights over here. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the room. So let's walk back, see what's going on here. Quick review, see if I missed anything. It's a pretty nice light fixture over here. If Clickbait is taking a jacuzzi, I can just see my view here. She's probably too lazy to pull the curtains up anyways. And then we got an actual art piece here. Ah, nice. Do the chargers have USB charging ports? No, that's one downgrade. No USB. Oh, that sucks. Could it be in the yeah, there is no USB. Oh, that's a major no-no here. Let's see, is Buddha in here? Can't even open this. No Buddha. Is Buddha in here? Oh, when you got money, you don't need Buddha. All right, guys, so that was a really straightforward review of this room right here. This is the, again, Diamond Cliff Resort and Spa here in Phuket. The room I got was the, what's it called? The Romantic Suite, and it cost me a whopping, let's check it out, $91.48. So for less than $100, you get a room like this here in Phuket. I forgot to mention earlier on that this room is located on the 7th floor of this building. So if we wanted to get some food, gotta go all the way downstairs, go out. That's just too much work, especially after a long day on a boat. So we're gonna get some room service and then enjoy this hell of a room. And damn, I really hope this swing doesn't break on me. I know I'm American, but I'm not even 69 kilos. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Until my next room tour, jacks off. Hopefully I don't have to, but jacks off. Alright, so later on when you get into the jacuzzi, I'm gonna take a picture of you and use that as my clickbait thumbnail, okay?
Okay, but your friend and your subscriber gonna ask who am I?
Well, you're my clickbait,
Why I'm here?
so I can get more views.
So, where are you sleeping?
Well, I'm sleeping here on the bed. You're gonna be sleeping on that swing right there.
No!
Well, actually, that wasn't too bad. Sleeping on the swing feels like sleeping on a hammock, and I think everyone should at least try sleeping on the swing at least once in their lifetime. It's a very interesting experience. It feels like you're sleeping on a boat. But yeah, here's the view, guys. Too lazy to get off the swing. Good thing for a selfie stick. So there you go, a nice view of this room.